Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Kumari. So on last of November, I joined Evision as a trainee for internship program of 21 days. Okay, so during that time, I got a chance to learn a lot of things from the instructor. Okay, they taught me virtualization. Then after CCNA and apart from that, I hands on some practical knowledge also, like outlook configuration and domain configuration and troubleshootings also. Okay, and after completion of this course, I was gone through the interviews calls, and while that time I got a chance uh, to give interviews for HCL company, and so through that I was selected in HCL with a good salary package, and Evision helped me with the job assistance also. Okay, so for that I want to say thank you to all Evision team, and to Ganesh sir, and to Sati ma'am also. Thank you so much.